Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good, staying safe and healthy. We're all good here as well, by God's grace. In today's video, I'm going to share you two spaghetti variants, one which is a traditional way and another of my own, my own methodology to cook it. And the other recipe is fried rice and chicken fry. Keep watching until the end to enjoy the full essence of the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. It will encourage me a lot to make more such videos. So to make spaghetti, I have taken some water in a vessel, added some salt and drizzled some oil. And another small vessel to boil the eggs. So the main ingredient of this recipe is garlic and red chili. So here I am slicing the garlic into small pieces and getting it ready. So once the water comes to boil, I have added the eggs, which will make the process more easier. And once the water is boiled, I'm adding the spaghetti this way. Cut the red chili into small pieces. You can even use red chili flakes instead of red chili into pieces. Cook the spaghetti well. After mixing it, close the lid. Chopping some coriander leaves, which will be used to garnish at the end. So I'm checking whether the spaghetti is cooked. So I just wanted to get a break if it is cooked. So once the spaghetti is cooked, I'm draining the water and getting the wax water in a small bowl, which I'll be using when I cook the spaghetti if needed. So this is a bambino pasta spaghetti which is healthier, so it is made of whole wheat. Adding some olive oil in a pan. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding the mixture of garlic and red chilies. We want it to be well fried until it is very dark golden brown in color. So the flavor of garlic and red chili is well got into the oil. So it's almost cooked. Now the spaghetti noodles is added. Mix it slowly with a wooden fork. Add the water which was strained earlier. Add some pepper powder. Mix it. Cook it for some time. Garnish it with coriander leaves. And finally, sprinkle some oregano for the good flavor. So this is definitely gonna give it a restaurant flavor. Homemade spaghetti, very easy and delicious. So that's done. The breakfast with some spaghetti and a boiled egg is ready. So this is another way to make spaghetti. In a pan I have added some olive oil and 2 cubes of butter. After the butter is melted, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix and fry it well until the raw smell goes off, and then add sliced onion. 1 chicken stock cube. You can skip it if you don't want. Mix it well. You can see how well the onion is cooked. So at this stage, I'll be adding the spaghetti noodles. Mix it slowly with a wooden fork and garnish it with coriander leaves, finely chopped. And that's ready. So usually I clean chicken adding some turmeric powder and some salt. I check each and every piece after cleaning it. Once I clean any non-veg, I try to make sure I clean the sink very well with soap water. I usually wash the eggs when I buy it from outside and keep it soak for some time and drain it, and then that goes into the fridge. Marinate the chicken, added some turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder and 2 tablespoons of coriander powder and some garam masala powder along with some zira powder, and then some salt as required, and then drizzle some oil and marinated it very well. Close the lid and that goes into the fridge. To make the fried rice, the basmati rice is soaked for some time and the veggies are already washed and drained. In between, just relaxing and having a cup of milk tea before I resume the work again in the kitchen. I mostly prefer having tea or coffee or milk when it is served hot. So have it when it is hot. I believe most of us feel so relief after having such a cup of tea. So I resume making fried rice. So to make fried rice, I've taken some oil in the kadai and then added crushed ginger garlic and fried it well until the raw smell goes off. Then the sliced onion is added. Fry it well until it turns golden brown in color. Add some salt. So by the side, basmati rice has to be half cooked. So adding some water which is required to cook it half, and added some salt and a chicken cube which would give a great flavor to the recipe, and some drizzle of oil. In case you're using one chicken cube, you can skip some salt. I've just added 1 teaspoon of salt for the 3 whole cup of basmati rice because I've added chicken cube. So that is getting cooked by side. Until then the onion was well fried. So this is the time to add the veggies which were kept ready to be added. So here I have taken carrots, capsicum and some beans. If you have cabbage, you can add it. I did not have cabbage, so I did skip it. So mix it well and allow it to get well cooked. Until that time, I took out the chicken from the fridge. 1 cube of butter is added for the veggies to be fried or cooked well. Mix it and cook it. By the side, I was checking whether the rice is getting cooked well. Mix it in between. So once the veggies are well cooked, I added zira powder. Zira powder gives a great flavor. And then goes red chili flakes and some pepper powder. So the flavors which you have added, red chili flakes and some pepper powder, it's purely based on the spice preference you have. can add more if you want. Mix it and get it cooked. So once the rice is half cooked, drain the water. So this was the day when my mother and my sister came home. My sister's kids were exploring my home and my daughter was very happy to welcome them.
So now to mix the rice along with the masala, add slowly, not all at once, just add slowly and mix it.
I forgot to shoot when I scrambled egg and added it to the fried rice. Please do not skip it, it adds great flavor for the fried rice. So in the same kadai, I've added 4 cubes of butter to fry the chicken. Once the butter is melted, add the chicken. My sister was trying to give me a hand to help in the kitchen. But I already finished all the stuff earlier because I wanted to spend some time with you. So only the chicken was getting cooked. Once you add the chicken, close the lid and allow it to get cooked for 20 minutes. Flip it in between to cook both the sides. After frying the chicken, I decided to keep it on the top of the fried rice. So, remove some fried rice and put it on the chicken fried pan which had some oil left out. So, which will add more flavor of chicken in the fried rice. So, this way, I garnished it on the top of the fried rice. So, the fried rice along with some tandoori chicken is ready to be served hot. After the good lunch, we decided to explore some time in the beach in the evening. That was a great time spent with them. Family time was always a special time. The little one in my lap, I was just enjoying the time when the kids were around me. I hope you would have enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notification on my every update. We'll meet you soon again with some more interesting videos. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.